The demonstration unit features FloSmart Technology, designed with integrated architecture that recognizes when a pump is beginning to clog. Upon detection, FloSmart initiates a cleaning operation at the end of the pump cycle. Once the cleaning operation is finished, FloSmart will confirm the blockage has been removed and place the pump back into service. FloSmart self-learns the pump system characteristics via a calibration sequence at initial startup. This process collects data at multiple speeds and then calculates the profile of the system. This process establishes a theoretical dataset represented by the blue line. The red lines positioned above and below the theoretical blue line establish the upper and lower clog detection thresholds. The white line is a real-time measurement while the pump is running. If the white line trends outside of the red lines for a user-adjustable period of time, FloSmart will indicate a cleaning operation is required at the end of the pump cycle. At this time, a cleaning operation is initiated, running the pump in reverse rotation at 25% of the operating speed. At the end of the cleaning operation, FloSmart will run the pump forward for a short period while monitoring the position of the white line of the current pump cycle. A normal status is confirmed when the white line returns within the limit percentage of the red lines. If normal performance is not achieved, FloSmart will initiate additional cleaning operations if necessary.